Y'all, General 315, man, back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we got an early look at the Jordan 5 Concord joints. This is more so like a grape to me. This is like a grape colorway, whatever version of the grapes you guys want to call it. It's just one of the many versions of that. So just wanted to bring this one to y'all early. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the colorway. It's kind of plain, looks like a fire red 5 to me, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like these joints when they drop. Nice, solid colorway in the kind of that traditional style color blocking. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where you'll see all the latest and greatest. Check out the things that I'm reviewing or things that I have in a collection that I like to put up on the Reels page. So check that out, and also follow us in the Discord. In the Discord, we got a pretty good community. We show you guys where to cop, all that good stuff. But yeah, I definitely wanted to bring this one to y'all real quick, just to show y'all. Very basic, clean shoe though. This won't be a long review. It's just gonna be something quick. Definitely, like I said, it's kind of like a fire red 5 colorway. All the hits of purple that you see would normally be that varsity red type color or that fire red type color, but instead we got, you know, the Concord grape color. So we got a nice flat leather on here, nothing too crazy, not a lot of texture to it. You know, it's something cool, you know, something clean if you want to step out in something, you know, all white. So this could be an option for you if that's what you want to do. We got white eyelets. The toe box on this shoe, a little bit more rounded than I would have liked. I think that it should have been a little bit more slanted down, but I can live with this. But you know how it is when you get shoes from these UA vendors, they make the shoe how they make them, and you know, sometimes they're pretty spot on, and sometimes, you know, you get these little, this is just a little too boxy for me, a little too curved, too rounded. I think it should have been sloped a little bit more, but that's just me nitpicking. And then we have a black midsole right here. Then we have a little bit of that Concord grape in the shark teeth, a clear translucent air unit right there with the white in there. I'm glad they didn't put purple in there. And then we have the signature outsole, which is that translucent outsole, and then we have a Concord grape Jumpman down there. So very, very nice. The cage looks pretty good. It's nice size. We got white laces going up the tongue. When you got that cage underneath the tongue right there, so that looks pretty good. No extra laces with these joints. No extra laces. Jordan Brand's been giving us a lot of extra laces recently, but we don't have that with these ones. And I was kind of bummed out. I thought I was gonna see some purple or black laces come with these, and we didn't see any of the extra laces. So maybe they dialed back on that for now, but we'll see. The heel of the shoe looks pretty good. Concord Grape Jumpman logo back there, which looks nice. I was kind of hoping that they would have put a 23 on the side, and these would have been solid if they put a Nike Air in the back, but you know how Jordan Brand is with the OG collabs. They don't like to do that. We have a lace lock right here. It's clear with that Concord Grape lace holder in there, so that looks pretty nice. And then we have the standard signature 3M tongue with the Concord Grape Jumpman right there. And that looks pretty good. It's stitched well. He doesn't look too crazy. The sock liner is that Concord Grape colorway, which looks very nice. Behind the tongue of the shoe, you have Air Jordan right there stitched. You get a standard shoe tree with these joints. Some of you guys have been telling me to take out the insoles to the shoes. So I took the insole of the shoe out, and it looks like that PU insole, the black one. This is the new style insole that they're going with, but it's definitely like some type of thin polyurethane type of style insole. It feels all right. It feels better than the old foamy stuff that they used to put in there. It's soft, and when you step in it, it feels comfortable on the foot. But I know you guys have been asking me to take these joints out so you can see them, and here it is. So overall, this shoe is pretty dope. I think that for this pair, coming from the vendor, the tongue could have been a little bit better. It looks nice. It's not as puffy as I would like to see it, but it looks okay. I can deal with that. Not too bad of a choice if this is what you want to do for the summertime. Later in the summertime, these joints is going to drop, and this is a solid colorway. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give this shoe a solid 7.5 maybe. For the colorway, I still like the Fire Red 5s a little bit better, and this still is kind of a grape. I would have liked to see a little bit more turquoise on the shoe, just to, you know, Jordan Brand likes to tease us with these colorways, but that's about it. For construction and materials used, I do like the shoe. I think I'm probably gonna have to go with a solid 7. I think the toe box is a little too rounded for me, and the tongue is a little thin in terms of the padding on the underneath the 3M. So I'll probably, you know, give it about a 7 for that. Overall though, the shoe is pretty solid, it's pretty nice. I would suggest you guys go and pick this up when the shoe releases. And if you guys want to contact us in the Discord to see if you can get, you know, a different type of pair or early pair, just hit us up and we'll see what we can do to help you out. All right, so that's all I got for this one. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next review. All right, peace.